Hey, Mota Padini.
I'm searching in the way for all the people that are here. If you are 100% Asian, clap your hands. Asian. If either of your parents is Asian, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Either of your parents is Asian. And if you are married to an Asian, clap your hands. And lastly, if you have a friend who is Asian, clap your hands. So you see, the Asians are here to stay. Ever since the first Asian, who is, by the way, a Filipino, came to Morro Bay in California, guess when? October 8, 1587, even before the Philippines came. And they came aboard the Spanish Manila galleons, which sailed from my historic city in Cavite City, where they built all the ships, and went through Acapulco, Mexico, and then to the old world in Spain. And this has been going on for 300 years of Manila galleon, and you can say it was the first global trade. So, but then, you see, Asian, the first API exhibit. How many of you have seen the Journey of Hope we had at the museum last year? How many of you? Thank you. So now we have this first one, by culture and wellness. So, if you want